Welcome to my channel. How to factory reset TP-Link Archer C80 AC1900 dual band Wi-Fi router. Easy reset guide. First, power on your TP-Link Archer C80 router and wait until all the lights turn stable. On the back side of the router, find the small reset WPS button. Take a paperclip or pin, because the reset button is inside a small hole. Now, press and hold the reset button for about 10 seconds using the paperclip. When the LED lights start blinking, release the button. The router will now restart automatically. This may take 1 to 2 minutes. After reboot, the router will be restored to factory default settings, Wi-Fi name, password, and admin login will be reset. On your phone or computer, search for the router's default Wi-Fi name, SSID. You can find it printed on the sticker at the back of the router. Enter the default Wi-Fi password, also printed on the sticker, to connect. Open a browser and type 192.168.0.1 or tplinkwifi.net. Then log in with the default username and password, usually admin, unless printed differently on your router label. Now your TP-Link Archer C80 router is completely factory reset and ready for a fresh setup. Thanks for watching.